Hello, Mrs. Stevens here. After you have watched the video today, you should be able to play or make arrangement with different shapes, to use shapes for different tasks and begin to use the correct name for shapes. Have fun! Hello everyone, Mrs. Stevens here. Today we're going to look at another shape. I'll tell you the name of that shape a little bit later on in the video. I've got all my shapes muddled up again here. Today we're going to look at a shape that looks like this. I wonder if you already know the name of the shape. It's got 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 pointy corners. It's not very good at rolling because it's got pointy corners. Shall we see if we can find some more shapes like this? There's one, yellow one. Whoops, all my shapes are falling on the floor. Another yellow one. Now, we can turn it that way round, or that way round, or that way round. This shape will look the same, whichever way round. You can have the straight bit at the top, or the straight bit at the bottom. There we go. So let's have a look. I've got 3 big ones. Can I find some smaller ones? There's a red one, a blue one. Can you see any more hiding here? There's one, another one, a yellow one. Are there any more? Oh, there's a big blue one there. Any more? Let's have a look. No, I can't see any more there. Let's push those shapes to the side. We don't need those. The shapes I have found are called triangle. Triangle. That's a hard word, isn't it? Triangle. Tri means 3 in lots of different words. So triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 pointy corners. I've got some more triangles over here. Let's put them all out. And I've got some big triangles. Goodness me, lots of triangles. Lots of triangles. Let's see if we can find all the big triangles. Are you ready? Let's find all the big triangles. All the big triangles, let's put them together. So, I've got a pile of big triangles, a pile of small triangles. Let's put those there. And, oh, I think I've got 2 different sizes now. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's put all the middle-sized triangles together. And they can go in the middle. So I've got big triangles, middle-sized triangles, and small triangles. I'm now going to use these smaller triangles to see if I can make a pattern. I think I might use blue and red. So I'm going to use blue, red. You see them? Blue, red, blue. What colour do I need next? That's right, red, then blue, and then red on the end. So I have made a pattern, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. I could change these patterns around. I could keep the colours but turn the blue ones upside down. And this is quite a clever trick. If we turn the blue ones upside down, we can squash the triangles together because they fit together with one the right way up and one upside down. If I turn them all the same way, you can see that they don't fit together. There's a gap in between them. How about if I put a yellow one in the gap? Again, I need to turn it upside down. So I have made a different arrangement there. I've run out of yellow triangles. So I've made an arrangement with red, yellow and blue. You could make lots of different arrangements with these triangles. You could make, you could put them together, put the corners together. Now, this is quite clever because if we put the corners together, I'm going to use the blues because I've got more blue triangles. Let's put the corners of the blue triangles together. We've made a picture that looks a little bit like a flower, but can you see what shape is in the middle? It's made a square in the middle. So we've got these triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. I've made an arrangement with them that looks a little bit like a flower. What else could we do with these triangles? I could put a red one there, a red one there, a red one there, and a red one there. That's made a different arrangement. I wonder if I could fit a triangle in there. I don't think it would be the same size triangle. Now there's something special about these triangles. These triangles, let me show you. These triangles are called equilateral triangles. They're a special triangle. All the sides are the same size. All the sides are the same length. It looks the same type of triangle whichever way we turn it. I have made some different triangles that are a little bit different to the ones you've already seen. The ones you've already seen had 3 sides the same size. The ones I've made are a little bit different. Can you see this one has got a long side and 2 shorter sides? Or maybe 2 long sides and 1 short side. It's quite difficult to decide on that one. This triangle, again, has got different sides of different lengths. Can you see? If I hold it up like that, that might be easier to see. This side is longer than those sides. Whichever way I turn the triangle round, it's still a triangle. Because the sides are different lengths, different sizes, it looks different whichever way I hold it up. But it is still a triangle because the special thing about triangles is they've got 3 sides and 3 pointy corners. Here's a different triangle I made. Again, it either has 2 long sides and 1 short side, or 2 shorter sides and 1 long side. So I've just been cutting up pieces of card to make my triangles, and then I can make different arrangements. You might like to see if you could put them back together again. You can make different arrangements with your triangles to see what different pictures you can make. You might like to make some triangles out of different coloured paper. I had a look around my house for triangles. I found it quite tricky to find any triangles in my house. Here are some ideas of things that are triangular shaped. You might be able to look out for triangles in your house or when you go out on a walk. A pizza slice. The sails on a sailing boat. Some tortilla crisps. An ice cream cone. The roof on a house. Road signs. A slice of cake. When you've completed the activities for this video, do you think you can use shapes for different tasks? Do you think you can play with shapes and make different arrangements with them? Can you remember the name of this shape? If you can do all of those things, well done, you've got a smiley face. If you can't, don't worry, we'll practice lots more when we get back to school. Don't forget to ask an adult to take a photograph of what you've been doing. They can put it on our WhatsApp group or send it on an email to the teachers at school. Or maybe you'd like to draw a picture of some things that are triangular shaped, or just draw some triangles. Pop it in our post box on the school drive. We look forward to seeing what you've been doing.